lawyer that wins a case. But the lawyer that works the hardest usually gets the best result for their client. And I also learned a lot at that firm and at that time about it not being about me, but it being about the client. And so I really hope that you appreciate and understand the path that you've got in front of you and the opportunity that you have to do well, but also, and more importantly, to do good. And I encourage you in that process to work hard, always. Don't lay back and think that you know this area of the law or you know this case or that case.
Right.
Because it's not about you. It's about the client. And the client's best result comes from your hard work. Mr. Lehman will also tell you that we learned a little bit about not working yourself to death. So set aside some time for fun and have a wonderful life while you do a wonderful job. And then the last piece of advice that I'm going to give you before I swear you in is this really is a profession. It's an opportunity. It opens a ton of doors. I spent time in my career defending insurance companies, spent time in my career representing individuals who had been wronged by stockbrokers and dentists and doctors and lawyers, people that had been involved in horrendous car accidents, and some who'd been involved in minor car accidents but gotten horrendous injury. I spent years doing business work and helping people put businesses together and helping them take them apart. And now I'm up here helping people find justice and find balance in the hearing process so that their justice can be discovered and can be found. So there's a wide variety of practices available to you from this day forward. And I encourage you to always stay curious, always work hard, and always keep the client's best interest in mind. Now, if do you have a copy of this with you?
Yes, I do.
All right, very good. I'll ask you to raise your right hand. Repeat after me. I, Cody Jerome Eckes, do solemnly declare.
I, Cody Jerome Eckes, do solemnly declare.
I am fully subject to the laws of the state of Washington.
I am fully subject to the laws of the state of Washington.
And the laws of the United States.
And the laws of the United States.
And will abide by the same.
And will abide by the same.
I will support the Constitution of the state of Washington.
I will support the Constitution of the state of Washington.
And the Constitution of the United States.
And the Constitution of the United States.
I will abide by the rules of professional conduct.
I will abide by the rules of professional conduct.
Approved by the Supreme Court of the state of Washington.
Approved by the Supreme Court of the state of Washington.
I will maintain the respect due.
I will maintain the respect due.
To the courts of justice and judicial officers.
To the courts of justice and judicial officers.
I will not counsel or maintain any suit or proceeding.
I will not counsel or maintain any suit or proceeding.
Which shall appear to me to be unjust.
Which shall appear to me to be unjust.
Or any defense except as I believe to be honestly debatable.
Or any defense except as I believe to be honestly debatable.
Under the law.
Under the law.
Unless it is a defense in defense of a person.
Unless it is in defense of a person.
Charged with a public offense.
Charged with a public offense.
I will employ.
I will employ.
For the purpose of maintaining the causes confided to me.
For the purpose of maintaining the causes confided to me.
Only those means consistent with truth and honor.
Only those means consistent with truth and honor.
I will never seek to mislead the judge or jury.
I will never seek to mislead the judge or jury.
By any artifice or false statement.
By any artifice or false statement.
I will maintain the confidence.
I will maintain the confidence.
And preserve inviolate the secrets of my client.
And preserve inviolate the secrets of my client.
And will accept no compensation.
and will accept no compensation
in connection with the business of my client
in connection with the business of my client
unless this compensation is from
unless this compensation is from
or with the knowledge and approval of the client
or with the knowledge and approval of the client
or with the approval of the court.
or with the approval of the court.
I will abstain from offensive personalities
I will abstain from all offensive personalities
and advance no fact prejudicial to the honor or reputation of a party
and advance no fact prejudicial to the honor or reputation of a party
or witness
or witness
unless required by justice of the cause with which I am charged.
unless required by the justice of the cause with which I am charged.
I will never reject
I will never reject
from any consideration personal to myself
from any consideration personal to myself
the cause of the defenseless or oppressed
the cause of the defenseless or oppressed
or delay unjustly the cause of any person.
or delay unjustly the cause of any person.
Congratulations and welcome to the bar of the state of Washington.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. We have copies now, but you'll need to come up and sign.
Yes.
I'll have you sign both copies, and then you'll have one for your wall and one that you'll need to send into the bar. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. See you.
See you too, man. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, I like this.
I don't get to keep it very long, but as long as I can cover it up with a mask, I get. My wife doesn't make me shave.
You know how long ago we did this?
It's amazing how long ago it was.
There were who else? That introduced us, 4 of us that we had that day. Who else was it? You and I and
I can't remember that short little engineer that was working as a clerk. I think it was just the 3 of us. There might have been, but I don't think so. Those are the 3 that I remember. Yeah.
it's good.
Kids are great. We had them home all summer long. They both